Hello guys, today we have the best video that you can find on YouTube on how to use MT5. I normally do my analysis on TradingView, then execute my trade on the phone. I use desktop MT5 to run an expert advisor or bots. In the first video, I taught you guys how to calculate your take profit and stop loss. I'll put the video somewhere around here. So, today, I'm going to show you how to place a trade on Metatrader 5. 4. I'm going to show you different types of orders on Metatrader 5. And then we are going to do live analysis together and execute a trade on Metatrader 5. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to download Metatrader 5 from the Play Store or App Store. And then you open it. What you'll find is a chart. So today I will be going through BTC USD because it's on a weekend and the forex market is closed. So how do you add BTC USD? You come here to quotes, and then on the search bar you just write BTC USD, and then you click it, you cancel, and then you come and search it on the list over here. There we go, BTC USD, and then you press chart or trade. Let's press chart. It will take you to the chart. Now, in this place, you'll find somewhere written M1. So here, when you click here, it will give you an option to change the time frame of the chart. This is a 5-minute time frame. This is a 15-minute time frame. This is a 30-minute time frame chart. This is a 1-hour time frame chart. This is a 4-hour time frame chart, and so on. On the farthest right side, you will see a symbol like a clock. This is where you set your buy limits and sell limit orders. You can also change over here, sell stop to sell stop limit. I'll go through this in a minute. And then we have an instant execution. When you press sell or buy, you immediately enter a trade. So in the middle is where you change the lot size. You can change from 0.01 to 0.9 to even 1, or even if you want to go to full margin, you just press 100 like that. But I'll always advise you to use your risk management plan. So in this market, I'm going to buy. And just like that, you've placed your first trade. After you have entered a trade instantly, how do you adjust it so that you may have a take profit or stop loss? So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the line itself, and then you will see stop loss, take profit, and close. You can click on it, and then you will see as you drag the line, it also shows you the amount of money you are going to lose in dollars, and also the points. So you can use this method to know what you are going to lose, or you can use the method that I showed you in the first video. And then the take profit, you also drag it, and then it will also show you the amount that you are willing to take on a trade. And then you click the arrow and proceed and modify. So when you click here, you will see like the stop loss is already set and the take profit is already set. So buy limit is when the order is placed below price and price then goes up. So what does this mean? This means the price is somewhere above where you want to place an order. This buy limit and sell limit, this is categorized as pending orders. So you do not enter the market directly. Price has to touch where you have placed the order so that you can enter into the trade. So let's assume the market is moving on an upward trend and you want to enter the market during a retracement. So what you're going to do is you're going to set a buy limit on a particular place on the chart, on a particular position on the chart, so that when price touches there, it goes on an upward direction. So on the sell limit is when order is placed above the price and the price then goes down. So what does this mean? You're anticipating the price to go down. So that is on a bearish trend. So you will place it on an impulsive move above where price is currently. So when it goes and touches the order and goes down, now that means that you are in profits because you have put a sell limit order. So this is a pending order. You put an order above where price currently is. When with the buy limit, you put an order below where price is currently. I will show you this example practically. So let's go to buy stop. With the buy stop, your order is placed above price and price keeps going up. And with the sell stop, the order is placed below price and then price keeps going down. So here you are just placing a price at a certain point and then it continues to go up. It's called a buy stop. And a sell stop, you just put an order below the price and then the price continues to go down. That's called a sell stop. So the difference between a buy stop and a buy limit is a buy stop, you just put it above where price is currently at and then it just continues to go to that direction. Whereas a buy limit, you have to put the order below the price so that the price touches the place to your order and then it goes up. Same thing with sell stop. Sell stop, the price is below the sell order. So what you're expecting the price to do is whenever price reaches there, you enter a trade and then it continues to go towards your favor. Whereas the sell limit, you put the sell order above the price so that when it touches the order, it has to like some sort of bounce back from that order so that you get into profits. So as we discussed, how do we set the buy limit and sell limit? You just come to this icon, you press it, and then you'll notice that automatically the base version is buy limit. That is because price is currently above this order place. So if you move this order, horizontal order place, you'll see like it has changed to sell limit. That means here you're anticipating the price to reach at that level so that it goes towards it goes towards on a downward trend. That's the sell position. On the buy limit, you're anticipating price to come here and then it goes towards a bullish trend. That means a buying trend, an upward trend. So let's place the sell limit, the buy limit, sorry. And then you can set the stop loss or take profit. And just like that, you have the buy limit. We can also do the same as the sell limit. Just move it up and then you click the arrow and you have the sell limit. You come here and modify. You modify your position and you add the stop loss and take profit. You also come here, you modify the position and add the stop loss and take profit. So buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, and sell stop are examples of pending orders. You do not enter the market instantly. So guys, I've done my analysis. I drew a trend line from the 4-hour time frame chart. These are top-down analysis. As you can see, this market is on a bullish trend. And then I've also mapped out key support and resistance level where the Bitcoin price is reacting. So going down to 15 minutes time frame, I also drew a trend line of a mini downward trend, of a bearish trend. And then I've seen the market has surpassed this level. So that means it will either come to retest this value and then go upwards, or it will just go upwards from here, because it has already broken this trend line, indicating that the price is going to go upwards. It has already shifted from this downward trend. It has hit a key trend line from the 4-hour time frame chart, and also there's a key resistance level here. There's a key support level over here. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take my long position tool. I put my take profit over there and my stop loss. And my stop loss over there. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to find out how many pips these are, so that I know what lot size I'm going to risk. Now what you're going to do is you're going to hop on to Metatrader 5 and put a buy limit, and then you select a sell, the stop loss, and you put it exactly the way you analyzed it from TradingView. So in this case, my stop loss was 115,296. 115,296. Around there, my take profit was 116,959. Around there. As you can see, they've given you the amount of money that you are going to lose when it hits stop loss, and the amount of money that you're going to get when it hits take profit. In my case, it is 254.27 using 0.2. And on my stop loss, I lose $78.09. If you reduce the stop loss, it will also change. As you can see, the stop loss is saying that it's 39.05. The take profit is saying it is 127.13. You can also add and you see how much you're going to lose or gain. So if I use one lot size, I'll gain 1,271.34 and I'll lose 390.45. In my case, I'm going to use 0.2. Yeah, 0.2. And then you enter the trade. Or you can also do this. You can also enter the trade directly using market execution, and you set the stop loss, which was 5296.45, and the other one was, and the take profit was 116,959.32. You're using a lot size of 0.2, and then you buy the market instantly. We can actually close this one. Let us delete this one. So as you can see, when the trade goes towards my favor, I'll get 238.4 points. I'll get $238.84 US dollars. And it goes against my favor, I'll lose 93.73. This is the results.